Hello everybody, Jen from Scrapping Under the Influence. I am here with a brand new project and project kit for you. Today I am using Echo Park Yankee Doodle, and I have done a fun 5x7 acrylic album. As you can see, this thing is super stuffed. It goes together in about an hour total. It is super easy. This is a good one to take camping or when you need just a very simple project to work on. So you are getting the acrylic, it's 5 1/4 by 7 1/4 acrylic album with the rings, the tulle to do here on your ends. You're getting the 12 by 12 paper collection, the 12 by 12 solids, and an ephemera pack, and it is more than enough to do this entire project. So let's take a look. So on the front inside cover, I actually just left, this was one of the border strips from the paper collection. I just glued it on 3 sides to make a simple pocket. We've got a nice big flap here, so you've got space for pictures on the inside there. We've got a belly band with some of the cut-aparts on the back here. Another nice big flap with big picture space. Another flap here and here. We've got a journaling spot there. Lots and lots of places to tuck pictures in and, document, your picnics and things for the 4th of July. Nice big spot here. You've got another belly band there. Pocket page here and another belly band. Again, we've got our nice big flaps where you've got doubles your space for photos, another belly band, and another flap back here. 2 big photo spots there. Here we've got a couple of flaps, so this one opens up. Nice big picture space there, and I did use the one of the border stickers. You don't have to use that if you don't want to. We've got another pocket here and another big photo spot here. Another flap here, and actually a pocket that I had used because there were only 2 3x4 cut-aparts in this collection, so I did put those across from each other, but we've got another cut-apart in there. Got a nice big photo spot there and there, and one more on the very back, and then of course your back cover and your back cover. So as always, my project kits are inclusive. All you need are basic tools and adhesive. Everything else is provided, and this one's going to be a super easy one to put together.